So in a minute, I am going to do the flip through my completed DIY art journal. But this is where it started. It was a theater playbill, something that was going to end up in the recycle bin that I turned into an art journal. And it's not precious. It's a nice small, I think there's like 8 pages in there, a few sprays. You can get it done and not worry about the extra expense. So what I did is I gave them a little bit of gesso, I put napkins on there, and I put some gel prints to break that page. And then over time, I did 1 page at a time in this art journal. So let's get to the flip through. So on the cover, it started with a gel print that I did some more layers, stenciling, stamping. I did some modeling paste here through a stencil, and then got some free printables. And you know, the sentiment for the journal was just wing it. Do whatever, experiment, play. This is not a precious art journal. Here's another page. This started with another gel print. I used some homemade DIY stamps. That's these out of these gum containers, and I'll link that video. And we used some gel prints here as well to make the ice cream and the ice cream cone. So never settle for just one scoop. This one started with a napkin, and you'll see at the end, I'm going to have a snapshot of the page as it was after I broke it, and then the finished page. Now, a lot of times that napkin isn't going to show through all the way to the end, but it's giving you the color scheme. It's giving you the jump off point. So it's a great way to use napkins when you've got excess napkins, or you picked up a napkin somewhere and you might like the colors, but you're, not necessarily liking the image. Again, this used some free printables from supercoloring.com. and some stenciled dragonflies. This one started with a gel print. Again, I love the colors. The white here was a DIY. That was a silicone trivet that I used and I turned into a stamp. And these are digiprints that I purchased, but then you can resize. All the sentiments in here come from my various sentiment packs that are available at NinnysNapkins.com. This one started with a napkin. Again, it gave me the soft pink, light green, yellow color scheme. And then I used another napkin as the focal image and some wonderful stenciling. This TCW stencil I absolutely love. This is soft colors, just draw you in. Create no matter what. So again, we have some modeling paste, white pearl stencil butter, some stenciling in the background, making a colorful background. This one started as a gel print, and I used a stamp from Ninny's Napkins, some of these gnome stamps, if you're a gnome lover. This one started with a napkin, gave the color scheme, the green, the red, the yellow, and then I did some collage papers on here. I did some stamping and another napkin as the focal image. There's even some texture here where I put gesso through a stencil. Now, all of these videos are available full length with the step-by-steps in my YouTube channel. Let your dreams be your wings. Again, this one used the same napkin, leftover pieces from this napkin. I used them in a different way with the Julie Nutting doll. Again, a lot of my DIY stamps here. A bit of a different color combo, but I love it. Which is your favorite? Number 1? Number 2? Number 3? number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, or number 8. Thanks for watching. Go get creative.